Welcome to the RepairQ onboarding video series. This video will be showcasing the catalog and different things that you can do within the catalog. Your catalog consists of a huge list of every item that can come in and out of your inventory, that can be sold in your store, and that can be repaired. To get to your catalog, you'll hover the mouse over the gear icon on the top and select Catalog. You can also get to it from all settings. Once you open up your catalog, the default screen that you will see is whatever you last filtered it to be. So the last thing we filtered it was to be reset, so there's no filters here. It's showing all of the items in your catalog. It can be as low as you want, as high as you want. You can add as many items as you'd like to it. It shows you how many are active, how many are inventoried, and how many are serialized. Serialized is going to be items that have an actual serial number, a specific unique serial number for each device, such as a device, a phone, a tablet, a computer, any sort of device. Inventoried is going to be anything that you want to actually keep track of inventory levels of. So it would be any part, any device, or anything like that. And then anything else that's not inventoried or serialized is going to be items such as repair services, bundled services, where it's simply something that you're not tracking in stock quantities of. On the left side, you have a few different search filters. The top one is name or SKU search. You can search for the specific SKU or the catalog item name. Type it in there and hit enter, and it will filter everything for those particular items. You can filter it by item type. Tons of different item types here. You can filter by manufacturer or location and bin number if you have specific locations or bins set up for each device or part or any catalog item. And then you can sort by all these different attributes. Repairable, meaning if it's a device that can be repaired and it's got that option checked. Serialized and inventoried, we've discussed. You can view all parts, all labors, and anything that's inactive. Your default view is to only show 20, and then you can sort through the pages right here. On the right side, you can select 50 or 100, depending on what you're looking for. You can add specific catalog items up here in the top right. If you just have one that you would like to add, you can do it from here. You can also print SKUs from here. If you'd like to sort your sheet by certain items and then print a SKU sheet for those items, you would tag each ones you want and hit print SKUs. You can also print labels from here. If you want to print labels for certain items, tag which ones you'd like, select print labels, or you can select them all. If you scroll down to the bottom, you have your import and export buttons. Export is if you would like to export your entire catalog or whatever you have filtered above into an Excel spreadsheet. And then import is going to be a couple different options here. If you click that, you have this import catalog items and import catalog items overrides section. If you click on the catalog import template, what that's going to do is download all the items that you have above into a format that you can re-import later. So if you would like to add a lot of items to your catalog at one time, you can filter it to only show certain things and then download the template here. If you want to mark a bulk list of items as inactive, instead of changing around each one individually, you can export to an Excel sheet, mark them as inactive, save it, and then re-import it. Once you do that, you'd save your items in the spreadsheet, select choose file from here, find that specific file, select it, and click import. There's articles on how to import data into RepairQ right here, as well as how to set up a catalog. You can also set up specific item location overrides. So if you have different prices or different reorder points, different reorder amounts for specific locations, you would download that spreadsheet here as well. That is it for the catalog. Thanks for joining us.